Okay, namaste. My name is Sara, and today I want to talk about my project and the intention for the trainees and the trainers. So we have a vision and a mission, and in order to achieve our vision, we have to work through it by completing our mission, which is to deliver training to all of the trainers, which they can move on to the trainees to achieve our vision of allowing women from rural areas to be able to lead and inspire others. So this is our training program. We will have hands-on training for around 150 hours, and that will be in a batch structure where there will be 2 batches which will go on simultaneously in order to teach everybody. So, your role as trainers. Points for the trainers to be learning. 1 is to be able to create a supportive environment. 2, to be able to effectively demonstrate the machines. 3, to ensure that the quality and safety standards are achieved. And 4, to be able to work and improve on progress and feedback. Okay, so the way that it will work is that there are 80% practical and 20% theory with live demonstrations on the industrial machines and then inferences on the color-coded charts. The trainees will be rotated throughout the machines equally, and then it will be able to create an environment which fosters teamwork, discipline, and goal setting. So this training is very important to help ensure that garment manufacturing can help the women who need it, as it is one of the most fastest growing jobs in Bihar. So the trainees will be learning garment making, machine operation, ensuring quality and finishing is high, and be able to learn and earn and grow with these skills that they have learned from this course. So it is important to understand that the taking and learning these skills will take time and mistakes will be made, but together we can be able to build this future, and there's no need to panic or to stress. So to ensure that this confidence is maintained, there's a very healthy environment and importance to be punctual and regularly attend these sessions. An inspiring quote by Eleanor Roosevelt: "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." So the first